Coco Lemon. Rhyme and story.
Look, friends, a magical path.
But because the cows stayed united, the lions could not attack them.
You took my spot!
No, it was mine!
Stop it, you two!
You're all being silly!
Am not!
R2!
Fine, I'm leaving! Good riddance!
Hey, watch where you're stepping!
It was an accident, calm down!
Whoa! What was that?
It's the lion!
They attacked the cows one by one. Because the cows were no longer together, they could not protect each other. Because the cows had been separated from their herd, they wandered the empty fields, each step a reminder of their solitude.
The moral of the story is, unity is strength.